Welcome to the Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to check Samsung Mobile Original or Refurbished. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the phone app on your Samsung device. You'll usually find it right on your home screen. If not, just swipe up to open the apps drawer and look for it there. Step 2. Next, go to the dialer section and type. This will display your phone's IMEI number on the screen. Now, simply match this IMEI number with the one printed on your phone's box. If they match, you're good to go. Step 3. Another way to check is by swiping down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings menu. Then tap on the Settings icon to proceed. Step 4. From the Settings menu, scroll down and look for About Phone. Tap on it to open more details. Step 5. Inside About Phone, check the model name. Compare it with the model name printed on your phone's box. If they're the same, your device is likely original. Step 6. For one final check, go back to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account. Step 7. Tap on the search bar, type Device Info, and select the app from the search results. Install and open it. Step 8. Once the app is open, go to the Device section. Here, you'll find all the detailed information about your phone, including its authenticity. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.